I invite Mr. I.V. Rao.
At this momentous occasion, I was here last year for the launch of Alto K10, which became a running success. And I am extremely happy to be here again with you all for the launch of new Swift. I must say, what a stunning way to take success forward. The Swift, as you know, enjoys a truly passionate fan following. It is one of the most successful cars from Maruti Suzuki stable, and lakhs of Swift lovers can't get enough of it. Swift gave consumers all that they sought in a car. Swift has today become a category reference point for all cars in upper hatchback segment. So, we believe the only car that could replace Swift today is more Swift. With the new Swift, we give them more of what they love. More style with distinctive Swift design DNA enhanced, more performance with the first VVT engine in its class, more room and road presence with its bigger dimensions, more features, more premium, classy all black interiors, and yes, even more fuel efficiency. With its launch, we know we start a new chapter in the ever successful Swift success story. And by making the new Swift more Swift, we are confident that we will get even more fans, even more success. But as you would have guessed, the pricing of the Swift will be an important part of its appeal. And you will find that with all the enhancements, the new Swift is priced in such a way that it appeals to the Indian consumers even more. Can we have the price slide, please?
Now I invite my friends from media to ask their questions. Mr. Rao.
The price hike of petrol, gasoline, fuel, the general demand for diesel variants has increased drastically. And the engine manufacturing unit, that's Suzuki Powertrain Limited, they have working to enhance the engine capacity from 2.4 lakhs to 3 lakhs this financial year. And also they are working on various measures to improve the productivity, which also should give us more numbers. So total we will be having about 3 lakhs plus capacity for the diesel engines. The requirement. Yeah, actually the engine which we are manufacturing is basically licensed from Fiat Italy, and Fiat India also manufactures this engine in their plant near Pune. Though the engine is actually both are based on the same engine, but they are not identical. If you have to use the engines being made by Fiat India, we have to do a lot of modifications, some modifications, and also it needs to go through homologation again. So, as far as technical issues are concerned, there is a technical possibility, but however, all other issues need to be worked along with Fiat. It's only idea, there is no proposal or any system.
And what about the revamped Desire? How soon do we expect that?
No, as I just mentioned, Swift Desire production, the Swift Desire, what is existing now. For starting A-Star exports, we did about 1.4 lakhs. Out of which about 1.1 lakhs was A-Star exports to Europe. And subsequent months, though the number has been maintained, that is 1.4 lakhs, but majorly the exports were to other countries other than Europe.